In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an external integration of type Atlassian Confluence. Confluence is a web-based collaboration and documentation tool whose content is organized in spaces. In the agentic platform, agents can leverage pages of specific Confluence spaces via a dedicated external integration that you need to create and customize to your needs. Before creating the integration, you must ensure that you have created credentials allowing you to access the content of your Confluence by going to Administration Credentials and Models. In this example, we will use existing Atlassian credentials. If you don't have any, you must create them first. Once you have dedicated Atlassian credentials, go to Data Sources External Integrations. Click on Add External Integration. Then select Atlassian Confluence to create a new integration. Now you can configure the external integration to fit your use case. Start by giving it a clear name so that other builders know what it is. Select the credentials to use for this data source. Next, provide a short description of the integration by specifying what is the content of the Confluence pages and what it is used for. Select the language of the content, English or French. Next, specify the content you want to add to this data source with a CQL filter, allowing you to retrieve the content of specific spaces or pages, for example. In this example, we will retrieve all the pages inside the AA and AAU spaces, which correspond to our Agent Assist documentation. Finally, click Add External Integration to finalize the creation. Once the creation is confirmed, click back to External Integrations list to return to the list of external integrations. The Confluence integration is now available in the list with the created status. Wait until the status of the integration indicates ready before testing any agent with this data source, as the content needs to be processed first.